You've just scored a sweet gig, landed a side hustle, or maybe you're owed money. Whatever the reason, you've got cash coming your way, and it's Chime. But now, the burning question is, how do you actually get that money out of there? Don't worry, you're not alone. Thousands of people are asking the same thing. So, let's dive in and figure this out together. First off, let's talk about what Chime actually is. It's a mobile-first banking app that's been gaining popularity for its fee-free perks. But, like any bank account, you're going to want to access your money at some point. So, how do you do it? Option 1, instant transfer to a debit card. The quickest way to get your hands on your Chime cash is by transferring it to a debit card. This is super handy for those unexpected expenses or when you just need some cold hard cash in your wallet. To do this, you'll typically find a transfer or move money option within the Chime app. From there, you'll select the debit card you want to transfer to and specify the amount. Boom, it's that simple. But remember, there might be fees associated with this, depending on your card issuer. So, always double-check before you hit send. Option 2, transfer to an external bank account. If you prefer a more traditional banking approach, you can transfer your Chime money to an external bank account. This is a good option if you want to keep your finances organized or if you need to make larger transactions. To set this up, you will usually need to link your external account to your Chime app. Once it's linked, transferring money is just a few taps away. However, the speed of the transfer can vary depending on the banks involved. Some transfers might take a few business days, while others might be instant. Option 3, over-the-counter cash withdrawals. Need cold, hard cash? While Chime doesn't have its own ATMs, you can use your Chime debit card at most ATMs. However, there's usually a fee involved, so it's best to use this option sparingly. Some Chime accounts might offer fee reimbursements for ATM withdrawals, so make sure to check your account details. Option 4, Chime Spot Me. If you find yourself a little short on cash before payday, Chime might offer a service called Spot Me. This allows you to overdraw your account by a small amount. It's like a mini overdraft protection, but with fewer fees. However, it's essential to use this feature responsibly and pay back the overdraft as soon as possible to avoid any issues. Important considerations. Transfer limits. Chime might have limits on how much money you can transfer at once. This is a security measure to protect your account. Fees. Be aware of potential fees associated with transfers, ATM withdrawals, and other transactions. Processing times. Transfer speeds can vary. Instant transfers are great, but don't be surprised if some take a few days. Security. Always prioritize the security of your account by using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and being cautious of phishing attempts. So, there you have it. Several ways to get your money out of Chime. Remember, the best method for you will depend on your specific needs and circumstances. Do you need cash immediately? Or are you happy to wait a few days for a transfer? Consider your options carefully and choose the method that works best for you. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.